Want to know how to secure your account just by using Google One? So you can also secure your Google account just by using Google One. So let's get right into it, and I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So first things first, just simply open up your Google One application and you should be right here. And now once you're on this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile or your avatar, just something like that, and here you should be seeing manage your Google account. So now once you have selected manage your Google account, just simply hit towards security and sign in. So out here you should be seeing all of your sign-ins, and you can secure by selecting two-step verification, passkeys, password, Google prompt, just like this right here, recovery phone, recovery email, all through just Google One. And that's it, super simple and easy. So just simply head towards security and you can directly do it from Google One itself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.